How to fix Bluestacks app not opening. I'm going to tell you how to fix Bluestacks when it's not opening on your computer. First, restart your computer. Sometimes, a simple reboot clears up background issues. If that doesn't work, right-click the Bluestacks icon and run it as an administrator. Make sure your graphics drivers are up to date, since outdated drivers can block emulator launch. Next, check for Windows updates and install any pending ones. If BlueStacks still won't open, go to the Task Manager and end all BlueStacks or Android related processes. Then try relaunching it again. You can also try disabling your antivirus or firewall temporarily, as they sometimes interfere with emulator files. Another solution is to open BlueStacks Multi-Instance Manager and try starting from there instead of the main icon. If all else fails, uninstall BlueStacks completely, restart your PC, and reinstall the latest version from the official website.